Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the bestest tightening and super brightening pack for your skin. And I am sure this is the best kept secret of the Koreans. While reading a lot about the secrets of Korean skincare, I came to know they love to eat seaweed a lot. But then when I was in Seoul, I came to know they love seaweed on their skin too, in the form of masks, facials, and so on. And then I knew the secret of their tightened skin, which makes them look so wrinkle free and youthful. And then I did a combination of Korean skincare and Japanese skincare. So, first ingredient is seaweed, and the next magical ingredient is fermented rice water. Both these ingredients, seriously, babies, trust me, it's freaking magical. So, take a sheet of seaweed, cut it into pieces, or tear them into pieces, and apply it on your skin with the help of fermented rice water. Yes, you definitely have to try this. The fermented rice water should be a little warm. आप पूछेंगे सीविड कहाँ से मिल सकते हैं, आपको ग्रोसरी स्टोर में मिलेगी और ऑनलाइन भी प्लीज़ चेक कीजिए. If you want to check the video on fermented rice water, I'll put it in the description box. Seaweed is actually very good to slow down aging process. Seaweed is very good to prevent skin sagging. Seaweed actually nourishes, moisturizes, and disinfects the skin. It is freaking good to heal the skin too, guys. If you use this at least twice or thrice a week, babies, you will have flawless skin in no time. This will fade all your dark spots, pigmentation, tan in no time if you use it religiously. And the best effect of this pack is it will tighten your skin tremendously, thus preventing wrinkles and fine lines quite fast. So nicely dab all the rice water on the face after you put the seaweed and let it be on your skin for 15 to 30 minutes. This is freaking good for all skin types, and it is even very good for oily skin babies. So yes, seaweed has numerous benefits, but in short, it is freaking good to fade your marks, your acne marks, wound marks, any marks on the skin for that matter. It might take some time, but the results are amazing. Seriously. And it will even reduce your tan, pigmentation, dark cells quite fast. This is a regime which you have to follow religiously, maybe throughout your life, and you will only see loads of benefits. I love it. It is an amazing mask even for dry skin babies. It will really moisturize the skin super duper well. So after 15 to 30 minutes, I actually like to keep it for 30 minutes. Start taking it off. It won't be completely dry because in between I do dab fermented rice water again on the whole face. So please do that too, and then pull it out and you will see an instant brightness and glow to your skin. And after you remove it, a little bit of seaweed will be there on your skin, but do not remove it. Just let it be on your skin because the benefits will have to go on and go on your skin. Take a little bit of fermented rice water and you can massage it onto your skin and let it be on your skin for say 6 to 7 hours if you can. Otherwise, wash it off whenever you wish. Yes, so I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit a like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on that bell so that you get notified. Bye bye. Mwah.